Amazon kitchen gadgets that make life easier under $20. This Lazy Susan refrigerator hack means no more shuffling and effortlessly find whatever you need. The rectangular shape has more usable corners, and the unique heart-shaped track allows the tray to rotate 360 degrees. We're throwing out the old spoon and spatula and introducing your new favorite spatula. It scoops, stirs, measures, scrapes, and serves all in one. You can rest it against the counter without any mess. 3-in-1 flat whisk. The balloon whisk is for whipping, sauce whisk for shallow liquid, flat whisk is for deglazing and scraping the pan. These reusable food labels have been great for meal prep and tracking my leftovers. They stick with static to any flat, smooth surface, plastic or glass, leaving no residue. These scissor pizza cutters cut the perfect slice of pizza and serve all in one. The silicone utensil holder allows you to hold multiple utensils at a time, keeping your counters clean. Reusable silicone lids, they come in multiple sizes. They are heat resistant, easy to clean, make a perfect splatter guard for the microwave. It peels off easily, but it also suctions to the rim, creating an airtight seal, making it perfect for storing leftovers in the fridge.